Yeah, good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Can you hear me? Amit and Sujita and others. Let's get started. We need not wait for others. Yeah, fine. So, अभी तक हमने टू वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहा था. आज ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. तो ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर, टू वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर अभी देखा ना. लेट मी ड्रॉ दैट वन. टू वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर. टू वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर जो भी तक हमने डिस्कस कर दिया वो वाला टू वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर है. This is AB and CD. Always मैंने बता दिया already. For example, dot convention is here now. Dot convention transformer should be always in subtractive polarity. इसका मतलब क्या है? Secondary flux है ना? That flux should oppose the primary flux ताकि आपका resultant flux is always constant irrespective of the load. इसलिए ये वाला primary current है, enter the dot होगा. Secondary current leaving the dot होना चाहिए. This is how the transformer working transformer. So इसको हमने अभी ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर करना है. What do you mean by auto transformer here? टू वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर में प्राइमरी से सेकेंडरी को इलेक्ट्रिक कनेक्शन नहीं है, खाली मैग्नेटिक कनेक्शन है. मतलब जो भी पावर प्राइमरी में वो वाला पावर सेकेंडरी में आएगा थ्रू मैग्नेटिक कनेक्शन, थ्रू मैग्नेटिज्म और मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स. There is no wide connection, something like these two are joined, these two are joined. So both are kind of windings are magnetically coupled. Auto transformer, what will happen here? I have electric connection now. So this is AB. So and CD, I'll keep the CD on top of it. So CD winding. CD. So that your primary is here. This is what the primary. AB is a primary and CB is a secondary. In this case, AB primary hoga and CB secondary. So look at the dot convention. Dot A के पास एक dot है, तो वो dot ऐसा ही रखना है. दूसरा dot कहाँ है? दूसरा dot is it C. इसका मतलब क्या है? If this becomes plus, this also becomes plus. Then, of course, this is plus minus here. No, this is a minus, and CD में ये वाला minus है. So plus minus here now. So it's additive polarity. So meaning on this side, primary side, what is the voltage? Primary is AB is the voltage. Secondary CB is the voltage. So what I can do, CB can be written as CD plus AB. So this connection is series additive connection. Series additive connection मतलब अगर मान लो आपका voltage here maybe this is 1000 and ये वाला some 200 1200 volts, 1000 ये वाला 200 है. तो अभी क्या होगा? AB का voltage, what is AB voltage here now? AB voltage is same as the primary 1000. CD है ना secondary है, लेकिन अभी CB is a secondary here now. So this is 200 from here to here, and AB is anyway this is 1000 plus minus, total how much is this? CB voltage is, total CB voltage is 1000 plus 200, 1200. So primary is 1000 and secondary is 1200 here. Now this is auto transformer here. I want to get a generalized expression in this case. Generalized expression matlab, what will happen here? This is V1 मान लो secondary का auto transformer का primary voltage and secondary side voltage for auto transformer V1 V2. Then what is the corresponding primary voltage क्या होगा? ये भी है ना, same V1. Secondary में क्या होगा? Secondary voltage. So total here to here is V2. So ये वाला voltage क्या होगा? CD का voltage. CD का voltage. What is CD voltage? Because I want to get CD. CD is CB minus AB. Total CB voltage minus AB. So what was that? What I can say here now? Can I say CB voltage is V2, AB voltage is V1. So this voltage is, I would say here now, V2 minus V1. Okay, fine. So now transformation ratio here now. I can take a transformation ratio here now. In this case, let K transformation ratio K, or rather I would say here now, KVA rating. KVA rating of two winding transformer. So let us see here now auto transformer rating kitna hoga. So I'm having a current here now. Let the current is kind of I1, current is I2 here now. So then AB में current कितना जा रहा है? इधर I1 है, इधर I2 जा रहा है, ठीक है? So इसमें कितना current जाएगा? AB में. What is this current? I1 KCL apply करो. इधर I1 नहीं ना? इधर I1 enter आ रहे, I2 निकल रहे, तो इसका डिफरेंस कितना होगा? इसमें जाने वाला करंट I1 minus I2. So मतलब इसमें I1 minus I2 जाएगा, provided you assume I1 is the current, ठीक है? And what is in CD? CD में कितना करंट जाए? CD means you have to take the total current. Total is CD में जाने वाला करंट I2 है. So this is I2 current. So what I can do here, KVA rating of two winding transformer, which is given as, can mention this primary or secondary, can take it, no issues. V2 minus V1 I1. V2 minus V1 into I2. Sorry. So now, what I do here, I'll take V1 common. So what will happen here now? If you take or V2 common, V2 common le lo, so what will happen? 1 minus V1 by V2 into I2. So what is this here now? This is V2 I2 1 minus V1 by V2. And what is V2 I2? Either V2 either I2 either I. So what is V2 I2? V2 I2 is a KVA rating of auto transformer. So now, okay, now I can have a turns ratio V1 by V2 and make sure transformation ratio turns ratio which is kind of less than 1. So let A equal to the turns ratio or transformation ratio, whatever you consider. In this case, it becomes a turns ratio V1 by V2 of auto transformer. So I can write here now total final expression S two winding transformer, which is equal to V2 I2 is KVA rating. Yes, auto transformer 1 minus A is the turns ratio. So then it becomes yes auto, make sure A has to be less than 1. A should be less than 1. You can say it's a turns ratio or transformation ratio, no problem. Very important expression. Yes, auto transformer becomes yes two winding transformer, KVA rating of two winding transformer upon 1 minus A. This is very important expression for an examination. So what is happening here now? आपने change कर दिया, मतलब copper is not changed. Same copper, same weight of copper, same copper is used. Just because of one connection, just because of one electric connection, the kVA rating has increased drastically. How it is increased drastically? For example, V1 by V2 equal to 0.9 here, nearer to 1. So what will happen? 1 minus 0.9, which is 0.1. So means S2 winding by 0.1. So this is 10 times of 2 winding transformer. So auto transformer rating increases drastically if electric connection is used, and moreover your turns ratio or transformation ratio, whatever you call, which has to be nearer to 1. इसका मतलब क्या है? Nearer to 1 क्या है? 0.9 is nearer to 1. अगर आपने ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन रेशियो और ये का वैल्यू आपने 0.1 लिया, तो दिक्कत क्या है? 1 minus 0.1, which is a 0.9. It's just 10 by 9, not much increase of auto transformer rating. समझ गए? So advantage of auto transformer क्या है? What is that advantage? With the same amount of copper, and rating of auto transformer has increased drastically here now, right? And efficiency, and another one is, second point is efficiency of auto transformer is very much high compared to the two winding. Two winding transformer में एक problem कर दिया, it is around 96 or 97. If you do the auto transformer efficiency, इसका efficiency होगा around 99.9 or 99%, even the 99% does will obtain, because the losses are same here. The beauty of this auto transformer is, अगर मान लो अपने ये वाला 10 kVA हो गया, this becomes 10 times or 11 times 110 kVA हो गया, 11 times increase हो गया, फिर भी इसमें जो भी losses है वही losses इसमें हो जाएगा, because I square losses, core is not changing, voltage across this one is not changing in the core, current in the copper is not changing. देखा इधर ये भी में जाने वाला करंट I1 minus I2, ये भी में जाने वाला करंट I1 minus I2, इधर जाने वाला करंट I2, इसलिए copper losses भी change नहीं होगा, even though the rating has increased. Iron losses also will not change compared to the two winding transformer. I hope you understand this point. So please mention this auto transformer. Write 1 or 2 points. Auto transformer winding has auto transformer winding is common. Otherwise you can say auto transformer part of the winding. Auto transformer part of the winding. This way you can mention. Part of the winding is common to both primary and secondary. Auto transformer part of the winding is common for both primary and secondary. Tell me now, कौन सा area common है इधर है? कौन सा area auto transformer में here primary में भी होगा और secondary में भी होगा? What is the common here now? Can someone tell me what is the common winding here? It's just AB here now. AB is the common area. That's correct, Amit. So AB is the common area here now. So advantage. What is advantage here now? Rating of transformer, rating of auto transformer is very high for a given amount of copper rating of auto transformer is high for a given amount of copper. Without exceeding voltage and current levels. Without exceeding voltage and current levels. Okay. Yeah, now we can copy this. This is called, as I mentioned, series additive connection. Otherwise, you can have series subtractive connection also, but you will get a not both additions, subtractive will get obtained. Series additive connection, series additive polarity. Right. And disadvantage. What is disadvantage here now? As I mentioned, first point, disadvantage, transformation ratio or the turns ratio, whatever it may be. V1 by V2, in this case, V1 by V2 should be kind of or greater than always. I was saying here now nearer to what? 1 by 3. Greater than 1 by 3. If it is less than 1 by 3 here now, meaning 0.3, smaller 0.1 rakha, V1 by V2 is 0.1. So then you won't get much advantage here. So I can mention auto transformer is not feasible. Auto transformer is not feasible if V1 by V2 is less than 1 by 3. Is less than 1 by 3. Another disadvantage, प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी का इन दोनों में आइसोलेशन नहीं है. इधर देखो प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी में आइसोलेशन है. सो अगर कुछ सेकेंडरी में फॉल्ट हुआ तो इसका इम्पैक्ट ज्यादा प्राइमरी पे नहीं होता है इम्पैक्ट, लेकिन डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट नहीं होगा. लेकिन इधर देखो any fault on the load side, will have impact on the source side. So you can mention second disadvantage. There is no electrical isolation. There is no electrical isolation between primary and secondary. Primary and secondary. Then any fault occurs on load side. Any fault occurs on load side will impact source side. Will directly impact source side. Okay, copy kar diya. We'll solve a gate problem here now. So this is very important. Yes, auto transformer is two winding transformer upon 1 minus A, where A equal to V1 by V2, and make sure iska A value always less than 1. This has to be less than 1. Somebody might be taking transformation ratio which is kind of more than 1, but you please consider this less than 1, meaning agar मान लो आपका 1000 volts है and 800 volts है, so don't take 1000 by 800, you take 800 by 1000, so that A will be 0.8. Okay, copy. Shall I move on? Shall I clear it? So one gate problem. If you're fast enough, so we can cover more things, please. Get 99. Of course, there are many problems of this nature. (400 by 100, 10 kV, 2-winding transformer is reconnected as auto transformer. Then maximum rating of auto transformer is. So what is that given here now? 2-winding transformer here. So this is 400, 100. So it's about how do you give the connection here now. मैंने बता दिया आपको connection होना चाहिए ताकि आपका transformation ratio A has to be less than 1 and it has to be nearer to 1. So possibility क्या होगा यार? So one thing is, I mean AB you can keep on top of this, the first combination. There are n number of combinations here now, like what we have done. So you can keep AB on top of it. This is AB and CD here now. You make this as a primary or whatever it may be. Any connection you can make it, no issues. This is 100 and this is 400. So total कितना हो? ये 100 है, ये 500 है. Difference है 100 500. एक possibility. दूसरा possibility क्या है? समझ गया ना बात? ये भी इधर है, ये भी ऊपर रखा, CD इधर है. So input 100, primary, secondary 500, 100 plus 400. दूसरा possibility क्या है? इधर ये इसको ऊपर रखो. So I'll show you what two possibilities. Take it and this is AB. इसको ऊपर रखो. तो अभी क्या हो गया? ये भी इधर, CD इधर, कनेक्शन. ये भी 400 है भाई, ये वाला 100 है. टोटल कितना हो गया? दिस इज 500 है ना. इन दोनों में व्हाट इज द फार्मूला? मैक्सिमम रेटिंग ऑफ ऑटो ट्रांसफॉर्म. दोनों ऑटो ट्रांसफॉर्म में कनेक्शन. अगर ये वाला यूज कर दिया तो ठीक है, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन रेशियो कितना आ जाएगा वाला? दिस इज प्राइमरी, this is primary, this is primary here now, VD, this is secondary. So what is this A here now? A will be 100 by 500, 1. इधर ये कितना आ रहा है? I told order less than 1 आना चाहिए. This is 400 by 500. So इन दोनों में अगर फार्मूला यूज कर दिया तो दोनों पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं. अगर फार्मूला यूज कर दिया तो yes auto, kVA rating of auto transformer, yes 2-winding transformer, kVA rating of 2-winding transformer upon 1 minus A. क्वेश्चन क्या है? मैक्सिमम कौन सा लेना? मैक्सिमम मतलब ये लेना चाहिए, 1/5 लेना चाहिए, 4/5 लेना चाहिए. मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बता दिया, डिनोमिनेटर में सबट्रैक्टिव टर्म ज्यादा हुआ तो टोटल वैल्यू कम होगा डिनोमिनेटर में. अगर ये वैल्यू कम हुआ तो टोटल ये वाला यस ऑटो ट्रांसफॉर्मर रेटिंग ज्यादा हो जाएगी. तो ये कौन सा लेना चाहिए? मैंने कौन सा लेना चाहिए टू गेट ए मैक्सिमम हियर नाउ? सो आई विल टेक इट हियर नाउ. 2-winding transformer is 10, that is given 10 by 1 minus 400 by 500. How much is this? 50 kV. Do you understand how we have done? So such kind of questions are many, right, for the auto transformer. So is it clear? Okay. Shall I move on? Can you hear me, guys? Okay. Now let us move on to the next one. Three-phase transformer, very important. Please try to understand carefully. Three-phase transformer. Normally three-phase transformer कैसे बन सकते हैं? एक single unit. One unit of three-phase transformer you can make it. मतलब एक large transformer which is of a three-phase nature. Otherwise, 3 units of single-phase transformer. 3 units of single-phase transformer आप ले सकते हैं and इसको three-phase transformer बना सकते हैं. तो इसमें बहुत सारा connections है three-phase transformer में. What are the connections in three-phase transformer? Types of three-phase transformer. We have types. One is star star and delta delta and star delta, ठीक है? And delta star, and fifth one is VV connection, open delta connection, and sixth is a Scott connection, but we don't discuss that, not in the syllabus there. So only we'll be discussing these things. Star star connection. How the star star connection will be there? First one, star star connection. So what we do here, we'll take the 3 single phase transformers. This is one transformer T1 and other transformer is T2 and T3 is the transformer. Normally, if this is HV side, if this is HV side here now, primary always will assume that the HV side and use a capital letters there. So capital letters when I say here now, this is A1, so A2, and this is B1 and B2 capitals only, C1 and C2. A1 and small letters A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. So how do you make the star star connection here now? A2, B2, C2 are joined and A1 is taken out. A1, B1, C1 is taken out. We just join A2, B2, C2 primary. Similarly, A1, B1, C1 बाहर ले लो. ये A2, B2, C2 ये वाला ना join करो. This is called as a star star connection here now, or 0 degree connection. This is called 0 degree connection. Means we don't have any phase difference between secondary voltage to the primary voltage here now. This can be drawn as something like this also. Another way of drawing this is, look at here now, this is okay. This is one transformer, second, third, what is it? A2, B2, right? So you can have, this is A2, A1, B1, C1, C2, and this is A2, A1, B2, B1, C2, C1. शॉर्ट सर्किट किसको कर दिया, न्यूट्रल पॉइंट A2 B2 C2 को, सो इधर न्यूट्रल पॉइंट है, इस तरफ A2 B2 को न्यूट्रल पॉइंट कर दिया. So the current is entering here now, this is the dot, the current is leaving here now, this is the dot. So this one, another way of saying here now, 0 degree connection or YY connection, star connection, we can see YY 0, YY 360, rather I would say here now, YY 0 connection or YY 360 or YY 12. I'll tell you what is the meaning of YY 12 here now. Normally we'll take the wall clock here now. So on the wall clock, for example, this is a wall clock here now. Clock, I'm saying a wall clock. Wall clock will have a minute hand and hour hand. Minute hand is this one, bigger length, always corresponds to the primary, and hour hand is corresponds to the secondary. So our hand is correspond, this is 12 and 3, 6 and 9. Our hand is smaller one, which is corresponds to the secondary here now. Both are having a in phase here now in this case. YY 0 connection. Or YY 12, 12 o'clock minute, so YY 12 connection. You will not appreciate this point in star and delta, but you will appreciate in star delta and delta star. Dono primary and secondary, dono same hai na? So you won't see any the phase difference here now. So just copy this one. We have one more connection in the star, that is YY 6. How to make that YY 6, I'll tell you now. Copy this, please. So another connection is, as I mentioned, this is the first connection, second connection in star. How do you make that? So second connection in star is, let me draw that. In this case, A2, B2, C2, ये दोनों न्यूट्रल कर दिया ना. अभी क्या करेंगे, इसको न्यूट्रल करो, A1, B1, C1 को न्यूट्रल करो, ये ओपन करो. So what will happen here now? This is the another connection I'm making here. This is YY 0 connection. Second one, what I'm doing here, same thing, but you neutral the other side, opposite side. A1, A2, B1, B2. You are important. Definitely one question you'll be getting. And so we can A2, A1, same thing, same way I'm taking B2, B1, C2, C1. इससे पहले न्यूट्रल कहाँ कर दिया हमने? Where is the neutral? न्यूट्रल इधर कर दिया. अभी न्यूट्रल कहाँ करना? A1 पे करो. Then this connection is YY6 connection, and otherwise we call it as a 180 degree connection. YY6 or 180 मतलब 6 o'clock. Wall clock में क्या होगा? Is 6 o'clock here now. So I'll show you here now. This is the wall clock. How to represent on the wall clock? Let me explain then. I thought I'll explain a bit later, but let me explain here itself then. Minute hand is here and our hand छोटा वाला है ना, घड़ी में ये होता है ना. This is minute hand, bigger one. Our hand is here now. So now the time is both primary is star y, second is also star. Time is 6 y 6. लेकिन ये कैसे obtain हो गया? ये कैसे obtain हो गया? I'll explain this one, please. If you copy this one, I'll erase and I'll explain both the y 0 connection, y 6 connection. Let me draw that. Just erasing this portion. This is another way of drawing that. Yeah, first one, इसको देखो. Whenever this is given star 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 delta, star में primary में हुआ तो आप करना क्या? Star connection draw करो. मतलब आप ऐसा draw करो. For example, this is star. Okay, A1. Always vertically, you draw it vertically as far as is, as far as you feel comfortable. क्योंकि ये primary वाला minute hand में आएगा, बड़ा वाला में आएगा. A1, A2, star है ना, so 120 lagging होगा. This is 120 lagging. So B phase ये वाला, B1, B2, C phase है ना, C phase वाला भी 120 lagging होगा. So this is C2, C1. ये समझ गए ना? पहला स्टार को न्यूट्रल कहाँ है? A2, B2, C2 में न्यूट्रल कर दिया, सो न्यूट्रल कर दिया. बाहर आने वाले टर्मिनल्स क्या है? A1 बाहर आ रहे, B1 बाहर, C1 बाहर. सो A1, B1, C1 ABC सीक्वेंस में ड्रॉ कर दिया. सेकेंडरी में देखो, सेकेंडरी में कौन सा वाला बाहर आ रही है? दिस इज अ क्रिटिकल पॉइंट. A1 बाहर आ रहे तो स्टार जो भी ड्रॉ कर रहे सेकेंडरी वाला पैरेलल में ड्रॉ करना प्राइमरी से. For example, in this case, A1 is the output terminal, A1 is the output terminal. मतलब neutral नहीं है. Neutral A2 is a neutral, A2 is a neutral. तो आप करना क्या? दोनों पैरेलल में ड्रॉ करना. This is the one. Small A1, small A2. ये दोनों पैरेलल है. So now similarly B, B2, B1 and C2, C1. That's all. Small letters. So what will happen is, this is a 12 o'clock one. Always the primary should be, primary is or represents your minute hand. Secondary represents your hour hand. घड़ी में ये वाला मिनट बड़ा वाला होता है ना हैंड, तो वो मिनट प्राइमरी का रिप्रेजेंटेशन करेगा, सेकेंडरी आवर हैंड का रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. दोनों एक फेज में है. सो इसी घड़ी को इधर ड्रॉ करो बस. इधर A1 को इधर रखो, small A1, A2 को इधर रख दो बस. Both the phases are in phase here now. Perfectly fine. So statement here, please mention the statement here now. If both the output terminals are same, you can mention here now. If both the output terminals are same, in this case, capital A1, small A1 are output terminals. If both the output terminals A1, capital A1 and small A1 same, then corresponding phasors are drawn parallel. Corresponding phasors are drawn parallel. Okay, corresponding phasors are drawn parallel. Otherwise, corresponding phasors should draw anti-parallel. Otherwise, corresponding phasors should be drawn anti-parallel. वो वाला क्या है यार? एंटी पैरेलल वाला चीज क्या है? अभी तो पैरेलल तो पता चल गया, एंटी पैरेलल वाला क्या होगा? सो ये देखो नीचे में क्या कर रहा हूं इधर. And another point here, primary phasor always a minute hand, secondary phasor always a hour hand. Second point, primary phasor is always minute hand and secondary phasor is always hour hand. ठीक है, so ये एंटी पैरेलल सेकंड वाला देखो, ये कनेक्शन देख लेना प्लीज. So what I am doing here in this case, same. First, पहला primary को, there is no problem. As usual, normal you draw करो. तो बाहर कौन सा आ रहा है? A1 आ गया. So this is A2, B1, C1, C2 and B2. Primary, there is no problem. A1, B1, C1. इधर क्या आ गया? इधर देखो, बाहर टर्मिनल कौन है? इधर A2 बाहर है. इधर क्या है? बाहर A1 है. सो इधर बाहर A1 है, इधर बाहर A1 है. सो दोनों पैरेलल कर दिया. इधर बाहर A1 है, इधर बाहर A2 है. समझ गए बात? सो आप एंटी पैरेलल में ड्रॉ करना. सो सेम पैरेलल में एंटी पैरेलल ऑपोजिट में ड्रॉ करना. सो दिस इज एंटी पैरेलल. सो आई एम ड्रॉइंग इट डाउन विथ एरो डाउन. सो ये वाला क्या हो गया अभी? स्मॉल A2. स्मॉल है ना, तो A2 बाहर है. गुड. सो इधर A1, न्यूट्रल इज A1 और बाकी फेजर्स भी एंटी पैरेलल में ड्रॉ करना. एंटी पैरेलल में क्या है? इसको एंटी पैरेलल इधर है, ये वाला है ना, इसका एंटी पैरेलल कहाँ होगा? दिस इज एंटी पैरेलल. इसको एंटी पैरेलल, ये वाला एंटी पैरेलल. समझ गए ना बात? ये दोनों एंटी पैरेलल है. ठीक है, ये दोनों एंटी पैरेलल है. समझ गए बात? सो ये दोनों एंटी पैरेलल है एंड ये दोनों एंटी पैरेलल है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. सो A2, A1, ये वाला क्या है अभी? C phase only. This is right. What is this? B. So this one is B1, B2, C2, C1. Nice. So अभी ये फेस देखो, वॉल क्लॉक ड्रॉ करना. वॉल क्लॉक में क्या है? वॉल क्लॉक ड्रॉ करो पहले. मिनट हैंड इज हियर, प्राइमरी वाला मिनट हैंड इधर रखा. सेकेंडरी साइड करस्पॉन्डिंग फेस ये आवर हैंड इज हियर. सो दो हैंड ड्रॉ कर दिया हमने. दिस करस्पॉन्ड्स टू हियर एंड दिस ये दोनों ड्रॉ करिए. ये 12 o'clock वाला, ये दिस इज 6 o'clock वाला. ये दोनों ड्रॉ कर दिया क्योंकि ये फेज है ये वाला, ये फेज है ये वाला. सो इसलिए टाइम क्या हो गया? स्टार स्टार और Y 6 कनेक्शन हियर. Anyway, so please mention this point. Y connection, star star has two possibilities, 0 degree and 180 degree connection. Star star has two possibilities, 0 degree and 180 degree connection. Okay. Next one, delta delta. Next one is, here also you can mention, second one is delta delta. Here also two connections are possible. Two connections. One is 0 degree connection and another one is 180 degree connection. 0 degree wala DD0 or this is DD12. This is DD6 connection. 180 degree means 6 into 30, 180 degree connection. So how to make this here now? 0 degree connection is simple. So yeah, same as this is the one. How do you connect a delta here now? First of all, please understand the concept. So this is मान लो A2 A1, A2 A1, B2 B1, C2 C1, C2 C1. Small letters है ये वाला, B2 B1. So delta को कैसे connection कर सकते हैं आपने? Delta means, so this A2 is connected to B1, B2 is connected to this one, okay? And this is how there are a number of possibilities. I'll show you, don't worry. This is how the connection, similar connection you do it here. A2 को B1 को connect करो. So B2 C1 connection है, and you do the connection like this. And take the tapping. Tapping you can take it anyway. Here A2. Take the tapping here now. This is A2, B2, and C2 here now. Similarly, you take the tapping here now. A2, B2, C2. A, B, C, A, B, C. Just see here now, any confusion here while drawing the delta? Please understand. 1 second. So delta connection में देखो connection A2 B1. You can do other way around also. A1 B2 also you can do the connection. So similarly I have done the connection here now. So this is a delta connection. So 0 degree connection. Please copy this one. So how do you find this 0 degree connection? How do you draw this? As I mentioned previously, what I do, delta means how the possibilities, what are the possibilities I have here? Delta, I can draw delta like this, or I can draw this possibility, these two kind of possibilities here now, or even randomly you can draw something like here now. This is a delta, this is a delta here now. Such kind of combinations we can obtain, but most of the times we prefer this is the one. Whatever ये ना जो भी draw कर दे delta, first वाला based on the primary and secondary can be obtained. So this is how I prefer here now, delta connection, or if it is volta, this is the connection. ये दोनों prefer करेंगे, बाकी है ना, I don't prefer these things. So let us see here now to find the delta in this case. I mean, one thing you can make out exactly primary में जो भी हो, exactly here the same thing. That way I can make out that, and the phase difference is 0, right? So this is called DD0 connection. You can make it out. So otherwise, I'll show you this way. मैंने बता दिया already. You draw this. So what I do here now, where you are tapping is getting tapped. A2 पे tapping, right? So you make sure A2 here now. A2 A1. A2 is connected to what? This is A2, right? A2 is connected to B1. B1, B2. B2 is connected to what? C1. See the connection. C1, and this is C2. C2 is connected to anything mistake? Yeah, C2. Yeah, C2 is connected to A1. That's correct. C2 is connected to A1. So this is how A2 is tapping here, B2 here, and this is the tapping. Similarly, this is primary. Secondary also will be drawing same way. क्योंकि same connection है ना, so same parallel I'll draw. This is small A2, A1, and B1, B2, small C1, C2. You can see the output terminals are same only. A2 is out, and B2 out, C2 out. So what I do here, then after A draw करना, A कैसे draw कर सकते मैंने बता दिया, just randomly draw it and see the connection. Delta randomly draw करो, representation करो, make sure आउटपुट में कौन सा टर्मिनल आ रहा है वही टर्मिनल इधर आना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये वाला स्टार इक्विवेलेंट मैंने ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ. दिस इज फॉर मिनट हैंड. इधर स्टार इक्विवेलेंट क्या है? दिस इज द स्टार इक्विवेलेंट हियर. नाउ ऑल स्टार इक्विवेलेंट्स आर इन दिस वे स्टार इक्विवेलेंट, बट वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन द ओनली दिस पोर्शन, क्योंकि ओनली वन फेज इज इनफ. आई कैन कंपेयर ओनली वन फेज. ये फेज, दिस इज बी फेज, सी फेज, दिस इज ये small a, and this one is B, and this is B, and this one is C, and this is C. Only one phase we just compare. So on wall clock, first ये वाला draw करो, 1 o'clock वाला, 12 वाला, this is 12. Secondary side में ये draw करो, same here. So what is the time here now? So the time is here now, as I mentioned, DD12 connection or DD0 connection. Second one is, as I mentioned, other one, please in delta, I have, look at this one. I have 180-degree connection. Only two possibilities are here. 180-degree connection or DD6 connection, 6 into 30. Look at 3 into 30, 90-degree. 6 into 30, 180-degree. 90 into 30, 270-degree. And 12, 360-degree. So DD6 is a 180-degree connection. Primary you keep as such only. Don't change the primary. Don't change the primary. I'm just keeping the primary as such. Please try to you please follow the pattern. Very simple once you understand it. Otherwise, it's kind of completely confusing to you. I'm just drawing the same thing. A2. This is B1, B2. No change in the primary. C1, C2. Connection draw करो. Connection क्या लिया मैंने? A2, B1 and B2, C1. Okay. So then take out the terminals. A2 here, B2 here, and C2. इधर है ना, आप टर्मिनल्स को उल्टा करो बस, तो मतलब सेम है, कनेक्शन सेम है. A2, A1, right? You just make sure that A1, A2 लिख दो. So meaning, this is how I'm doing. कनेक्शन वही करना, लेकिन टर्मिनल्स देखो. A2, A1 लिखा ना, आप बस A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. लेकिन कनेक्शन तो वही होना चाहिए. Same as what you have done. This is how do the connection. And take the terminals out. Now, how do you make the things here? Now, please understand, primary वाला वैसे ही draw करना. Primary में अपना फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Same as this one. So मैंने बता दिया already. Delta possibilities are 2. There are many, but we prefer 2 only here now. So the same possibility I'll draw. So this is how the first delta. So same as here now. A1, A2. So output terminals क्या है? A1, A2 है ना, output terminals इधर है, arrow इधर आएगा. A1, A2 arrow इधर है, output terminals. So B1, B2. This is B1, B2. Arrow इधर है. So similarly, C1, C2. Output C2 है ना, arrow बाहर आया. So इसको मैंने बता दिया star equivalent draw करना. This is how the star equivalent. Wherever your output terminals are there, star equivalent draw करना. A2 इधर है ना. So C2 इधर है, star equivalent. This is a B2 इधर है. So this is B phase, this is A phase, and this is C phase. हो गया काम. अभी इसका इस तरफ आ जाओ. मैंने बता दिया ऑलरेडी, अगर आपका आउटपुट टर्मिनल्स अलग हुआ तो इधर देखो आउटपुट टर्मिनल A2 है, इधर आउटपुट टर्मिनल A1 है. Then you have to draw anti-parallel. So meaning anti-parallel means I have to draw this. Same thing, but anti-parallel. Delta is same, but आप anti-parallel में draw करना पड़ेगा. So look at this one. This इसको anti-parallel में draw करो. First let me draw here now. A1, A2 है ना, anti-parallel. So मतलब आप ऐसा जाना चाहिए A1 A2, ठीक है। A1 A2, A1 इधर है A2 इधर है, एंटी पैरेलल मतलब एरो अपोजिट में ड्रॉ करना। इधर भी है ना, इधर एक एंटी पैरेलल। फर्स्ट लेट आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू ड्रॉ द थिंग्स एंटी पैरेलल। So right, other one, this is the one, B1 B2 कहाँ है आउटपुट, B1 पे। Then where is other one, C1 C2, where is output, this is the output here now. But how do you draw this one here? How I need to draw, please understand the connection. This has to be C1 C2, C2 का कनेक्शन कौन है, C2 को कौन आना चाहिए, C2 का कनेक्शन कौन दिया हमने, C2 is connected C2, C2 is connected to B1, C2 is connected to B1 means if we join these like this, if we join like this, C2 is connected to A1, it's not correct, C2 is connected to A1, it's not correct. तो करना क्या अभी, C2 should be, look at this, I'm drawing this one, please understand, very very important, ये वाला point है इधर। So this is C2, parallel draw करना बस। So I'm just taking this, this is the one, C1 C2, C1 C2, C2 is connected to B1, B1 कहाँ आएगा, this is the B1 parallel, इसका parallel draw करो, इसका एंटी पैरेलल आ गया, इसका एंटी पैरेलल, so this is how the connection। ये क्या है, B1 आई B2 आई, एरो कहाँ आना चाहिए, this is where the arrow, what is other one then, B2 is connected, B2 is connected to, this is the one you can see, A1, इसका एंटी पैरेलल, this is A1 A2, arrow is here, that's all. So you have obtained the deltas or something like this, this is the first one, primary वाला इधर है, other one कैसा है, other one is you have obtained something like this, this is the one. So here A phase A2 and here A phase, this is small A1. So here star equivalent 12 o'clock वाला इधर है, इधर star equivalent इधर है, so this is 12, this is 6. So the overall becomes here now 12 here, 6 here now, इधर 12 o'clock वाला आप रिप्रेजेंट करो प्राइमरी के लिए, सेकेंडरी के लिए है ना, स्टार इक्विवेलेंट ड्रॉ करना मैंने बता दिया ऑलरेडी, स्टार इक्विवेलेंट, दिस इज स्टार इक्विवेलेंट हियर, सो जस्ट दैट नीड टू ड्रॉ द स्टार इक्विवेलेंट हियर, wherever the delta is there you just draw the star equivalent. So this is A phase, this is A phase, दोनों ये ले लो ये ले लो, ये मिनट हैंड है, ये नीचे वाला और हैंड है, so this is TD6 connection. So key point is here now, please, output terminals, if both the output terminals are same, you have to draw parallel. If the output terminals are different, you have to draw anti-parallel. That's all, even in star, even in delta also. And you can mention delta delta connection में दो possibilities है, one is 0 degree connection, other one is 180 degree connection, that is 0 0 180 degree connection. Yeah, once you go and look into the book again you'll understand, otherwise one time you can't completely understand, but yeah, there will be some confusion. You can check with me, no issues at any time. Okay. So let me move on to the next one here now, combination star delta. Shall I move on? So gate question star star में नहीं है, delta delta में नहीं है, star delta में there are gate questions. Look at here now how to draw them star delta. Please carefully. You must copy this one. Just let me know once you're done. Copied, guys. Shall we move on to the next one? Yeah, this star delta is important. Yes, please. Okay. This definitely you see a question in the GATE examination is a combination of star and delta. So आप थोड़ा ध्यान से थोड़ा carefully please listen. Star delta connection. So yeah, something like this is given. You first tell me parallel draw करना, anti parallel draw करना. Looking at this, first पहला चीज क्या है देखना, parallel draw करना, anti parallel draw करना. First looking at this, okay, ये वाला star है, इस तरफ वाला डेल्टा के लिए सेकेंडरी ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं. 3 सिंगल फेज ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स लिया मैंने. नोटेशंस, yes, notations are taken. A1, A2, okay, A2, A1, B2, B1, C2, C1. Small letters है, LV side वाला, capital letters, C2, C1, okay. Now the पहला वाला स्टार है ना, स्टार के लिए मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, it's मेरा मत चाहिए बस, it depends upon. A2 बाहर ले लो, for example इसको okay, this is B1, right? This is B2, yeah, sorry. B2, C2, 1, C1, I'm sorry. So A1, B1, C1 स्टार है, न्यूट्रल कर दिया. इधर क्या मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, this is how the connection. A1, B2, this is how I am doing. डेल्टा है ना, B1, C2 कनेक्शन करना है, and then this is the one. Okay, then output terminals are, this is output terminals. Tell me now, while drawing the things, look at here now, ये वाला output A2 है, इधर output A2 है. Tell me now, parallel draw करना, anti parallel draw करना. First you tell me now, इसको parallel draw करना or anti parallel draw करना. First thing you have to tell me. While drawing the things, primary and secondary. Primary first I randomly draw it. While drawing the secondary, should I draw the phasor parallel with the primary, anti-parallel with the primary? मैंने बता दिया first statement. When A2 is output and A2 is output, you have to draw parallelly only, not the anti-parallel thing. So let me draw that one. First star, है ना, star. How to draw the star? I told you already. Star के लिए no problem. You have to draw like this. First one is randomly draw it, but make sure output is A2 here now. A1, this is B2, B1, ABC sequence. Now while drawing the delta, careful here. Now delta कैसे draw सकते हैं? There are many possibilities here. I told you. Possibilities क्या है? बहुत सारा possibilities है. Delta you can draw this way. Delta you can draw this way. Delta can be this. But I don't know. First thing is, जब आपने स्टार को ड्रॉ कर रहे, पैरेलल A2 आउटपुट है, A2 आउटपुट है, तो इसका पैरेलल एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. So इसका पैरेलल एक लाइन मतलब I'm drawing a line parallel to this. Name इसका representation क्या है? Small letter A2, so capital letter A1. So tell me now यार, now I have, this is fixed क्योंकि ये दोनों parallel है. This and this are parallel. Both are parallel. So with this one, delta के लिए कितना possibilities आएगा? Only two possibilities I have. Meaning with this combination, delta कैसे draw कर सकते हैं? One is, this is how I can draw. और with this combination मैंने draw कर दिया. So एक और draw कर सकते हैं. आपने दूसरा combination क्या है? This is the another delta. Do you think anything else possible here now? इन दोनों से दूसरा कुछ possible है क्या आपको? समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बात कर रहा हूँ? So पहले start draw करो. Output A2 है, B2 है, C2 है. Output में draw करो. डेल्टा के लिए करना क्या? फर्स्ट थिंग क्या है? ये फेस के लिए, करस्पॉन्डिंग ये फेस के लिए पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करना. अगर दोनों आउटपुट सेम हो तो पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करना. ठीक है, A2 A1 ड्रॉ कर दिया. एरो बाहर रखना चाहिए क्योंकि A2 बाहर है. सो इसके लिए ये डेल्टा है ना, डेल्टा करिए दो पॉसिबिलिटीज है. सो एक पॉसिबिलिटी ए है, नहीं तो ए है, क्योंकि वर्टिकल लाइन तो फिक्स कर दिया हमने. समझ में आ गया वाला बात? ओके फाइन. सो नाउ द थिंग इज, ये बाकी दो है ना, दिस वन, ये भी पैरेलल मानना चाहिए, पैरेलल विद द प्रीवियस वन. ओके नाउ A2, ठीक है यार, A1 पैरेलल हो गया. अभी मुझे पता चला कि पैरेलल में ड्रॉ करना है. सो बाकी वाला क्या है? B1 B2. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, इसको पैरेलल में एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ यार. इसको पैरेलल में B1 B2 के पैरेलल में, इसका पैरेलल में, somewhere here, I don't know, I'm just randomly drawing it, later you can identify. So this क्या है ये वाला? B1 small letter. After that क्या है? C1 C2 इसको पैरेलल में ड्रॉ करना. I'm just drawing that parallel only. Later you can decide कहाँ ड्रॉ करना. इसका पैरेलल में सेम एरो कहाँ डालना? इधर एरो डालना, B2 पे डालना. इधर क्या है? C1 C2. Tell me now, should I do the connection? A2 का कनेक्शन कौन है? अगर दो पॉसिबिलिटीज है हमारा, मैंने बता दिया, दिस इज A1 A2. सो ये क्या है? C1 C2 here. now C2 क्या है? B1 B2. ये वाला पॉसिबिलिटी है. नहीं तो दिस इज A2 A1, ये आ जाएगा ना, ये वाला है. तो इधर B1 है, इधर B2 है. सेम ये ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ, इस तरफ ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ. B1 B2 इधर ड्रॉ कर दिया मैंने, B1 B2 इधर ड्रॉ कर दिया. सो इधर B2, सो B2, तो ये वाला कनेक्शन क्या है? Randomly I'm just trying to draw this one. So A2 B1 B2 here. This is, what is this one? B1 B2 है ना? Yeah, B2, this is A1, right? A1, I'm sorry, yeah, this is A1. This has to be C2 C1. Now tell me यार, हमारा कनेक्शन ये या फिर ये, कौन सा वाला इन दोनों में? आप देख लेना इधर. A2 को कौन कनेक्शन है? A2 को मेरा कनेक्शन क्या है? C1 या फिर B1? इधर देखो, A2 को मेरा कनेक्शन C1 या फिर A2 है ना, इधर A2 का कनेक्शन C1 या फिर A2 को कनेक्शन B1 है. ये टू को कौन कनेक्ट कर दिया मैंने, किसको कनेक्शन कर दिया? That's right, excellent. So C1 कनेक्शन है. So ठीक है, बाकी वाला भी वेरीफाई करना पड़ेगा. C1 C2 ड्रॉ कर दिया, C2 एंड B1, C2 B1 देखा, C2 B1 कनेक्शन है. देन B2 A1, B2 कहाँ, B2 A1. सो लगता है ये वाला एग्जैक्टली मैचिंग है. सो समझ गए मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ इधर? पहले तो स्टार ड्रॉ करना, उसके बाद पैरेलल ड्रॉ करना एक फेस को. सो ये दोनों बाहर है, ये दोनों तो पैरेलल ड्रॉ करो. उसके बाद बाकी फेजर के भी पैरेलल ड्रॉ करना. लेकिन पता नहीं पैरेलल में दो पॉसिबिलिटी आएगा, ये कनेक्शन आएगा नहीं तो ये कनेक्शन आएगा. लेकिन हमको हमारा कनेक्शन कैसे है, तो हमारा कनेक्शन ऐसा वाला कनेक्शन है. सो अभी पता चला मुझे कि the final one is obtaining something like this. This is where obtaining here now. So A2 A1, right? C1 C2, B1 B2, arrows डालना, arrows बाहर, A2 बाहर है, C2 here and B2 here. That's all. Now what should I do here now? In this case 12 o'clock line आ गया, तो स्टार इक्विवेलेंट ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. स्टार इक्विवेलेंट कैसे ड्रॉ करेगा? सो कौन सा वाला बाहर, A2 है ना. सो दिस इज व्हाट द A2 के पास you draw a line. That's all, star equivalent. So on wall clock, this is a 12 o'clock one. Pink line is always, मैंने बता दिया, pink line is always on the 12 o'clock. This corresponds to capital A. This corresponds to small a, and you draw a wall clock. What is this time here now? Just say this is what is the time here now. So I'm just drawing a wall clock wherein you are having this pink line on 12 o'clock vertical line. Then on this green line is here. This is the green line for the minute hand, corresponds to secondary. So what is that one then? What is the time? Can someone tell me time कितना है अभी? गाड़ी में टाइम कितना है यार? What is the time? अरे यार घड़ी, ऐसा वाला घड़ी देखा नहीं आप कभी? कौन सा टाइम है? This is 1 and 2, 4, 5. Yeah, this is 7 and 8 and 10, 11. ठीक है. So now the time is kind of 1. So इसका connection क्या है? Whatever the connection we have obtained is primary is Y, secondary is delta, and the time is now 1 o'clock. This is YD1 connection here now. Or this can be called as a 30-degree connection here now. Meaning secondary is kind of lagging, the secondary है वाला lagging है, primary leading है. So we call it the minus 30-degree connection, you can say. Rather you can say plus 30 and directly say lagging word. So YD1 connection 1 into 30-degree connection, or secondary voltage is lagging, they can see secondary voltage lagging the primary voltage by 30-degree connection. Is that clear, guys? So there are multiple steps involved here now, and it's a gate question. Please understand, it's a gate question. See, पहला understand करने के लिए दिक्कत हो जाएगी, लेकिन once you understand the things, for any given network, you can find the connection. So such kind of possibilities for this one is 4 possibilities I have. YD1 here, and YD7 1, and this one YD11 and YD5. One network को और this YD star delta connection को 4 possibilities है. वो 4 possibilities क्या है? 1 and 7, okay, and 11 and 5. Tell me now यार one thing, ये वाला YD1 को 7 करना चाहता मैंने. I repeat the point here now. 1 को 7 मतलब you have to go this way here. 180-degree phase shift. 180-degree phase shift का हमने क्या किया? Do you remember what we have done for 180-degree phase shift के लिए? Do you remember what we have done for delta delta में star star में 180-degree phase shift के लिए हमने क्या किया? Do you remember? Just reverse the terminals. Connection ऐसा ही रखो, टर्मिनल्स इधर है ना, A2 A1 डाला, आपने उल्टा करो, इधर A1 इधर A2, इधर B2 इधर B1, ठीक है। सो आप उल्टा करो ताकि आपका इधर 7 में आ जाएगा। समझ गए ना बात, what I am speaking here? Okay, fine then. So please mention this. So you have 4 possibilities: YD1, YD7. YD1 means 30 degree. 7 means 1 means 1 into 30, 30 degree connection. 7 means 7 into 30, 210, and 11 into 30, 330 degree minus 30 degree connection. So 5 into 30, 150 degree connection. These are the connection names here now. So normally when I say YD1, secondary voltage lags the primary voltage by 30 degree. Please mention that point here. YD1 means secondary voltage lags the corresponding primary voltage. Secondary voltage lags the corresponding primary voltage by 30 degree. By 30 degree. Okay. Next one is delta star. Let us see the delta star. How to get the delta star? One connection I will give the delta star, then shall I move on? Delta star, you can take the same delta star. For example, if I take delta is here, star is here, what will happen here? Can you, if you understand this properly, अगर मान लो डेल्टा इस तरफ रखा, स्टार इस तरफ रखा, कौन सा कनेक्शन हो जाएगा? इसको कनेक्शन में क्या बता रहा हूँ, ये डेल्टा वोल्टेज लैग्स द स्टार वोल्टेज by 30 degree. When you make this delta primary, star secondary, then what will happen? Star voltage, what will happen? Leads the star voltage leads the delta by 30. So मतलब कौन सा कनेक्शन होगा? समझ में आ रहा है ना? What is that I am speaking? If you just make the ये वाला इधर डेल्टा इधर करो, स्टार इधर करो, तो कनेक्शन हो जाएगा इसका कनेक्शन D/11 connection. Just D/11 connection. Same thing. Not drawing anything. So let us see here now. This is what I was saying. I know, yeah, it is consuming everything is a little bit difficult, but yeah, please try to understand what I'm saying here. So what I'm saying here now, in this case, delta voltage, corresponding voltage, lags star voltage by 30 degree. इसमें फोर्थ में मैं क्या कर रहा हूं इधर, this is what I'm doing in the fourth, delta star connection. Same thing, I keep delta this side. And star this side. Only thing is ये वाला प्राइमरी में आ गया ना तो ये कैपिटल हो जाएगी. So this is delta, right? So how this connection is done? Same thing, I am just redrawing, that's all. ये वाला इधर ड्रॉ कर दिया, ये वाला इधर ड्रॉ कर दिया. So A1 B1 C1 short circuited A2 B2. So what will happen here now? Always this right side, LV side वाला refer करना है. How it is this? Star voltage. This is the one. Leads. Star act. That's the meaning, right? Delta voltage lags star by 30 degree. Now this star, this right side. Statement is same again. Lekin while drawing the pictures, I should make sure that always the secondary I should mention. So star voltage leads delta by 30 degree. So meaning in wall clock, how do you make it out? This is what? This star is leading, right? This is the one. Minute hand. So this is 11 o'clock. So this connection is dy11, or rather you would say that in terms of lagging में करना है 330 lagging. आगे जाओ leading हो सकता है, पीछे से आ जाओ 330 हो जाएगा. So or I would say the same star voltage lag delta by 330 degree. That is 11 into 30. So that's 11 o'clock time. So this is the fourth one, delta star connection. And that way we can obtain. Here also combinations. कौन सा combination? Same combinations. कितना 4 combinations आ जाएगा इसमें. dy11 you can try it out. 11 and dy5 and dy1, dy7. These are the 4 combinations we can apply. Okay. So please mention this point also in delta Y connection. In delta Y connection, 4 possibilities are obtained. 4 possibilities are obtained. Those are you can mention 1, 7, 11, 5. So another one is last one is VV connection. Have you copied this one? Copy कर दिया आपने? Have you copied? DY का connection भी. See, please copy it carefully because you don't even get in textbooks. Your textbook में नहीं मिलता है आपको, लेकिन गेट में पूछता है वाला. Questions are important. Okay, fine. Okay. So now the last one is VV connection. So fifth one is VV connection or open delta. It is called open delta connection. Open delta connection means delta में क्या होगा? For example, this is delta and delta delta connection. Okay. So supply is given. This is a primary and this is secondary. If one of the winding get fails, say for example, this is A, B, C and small a, B, C. So if one of the winding get fails, or maybe probably this one, still the rest of the transformer will work. Mother, just this is the one, and you have a supply. Only this transformer is failed. A, B, C. The rest of the transformer, ये वाला है ना, transformer fail हो गया. So this is still valid. VV connection here now, open delta connection, and it is reduced with 1 by root 3 capacity. Capacity will be reduced here now. If it is yes, and its rating will be yes by root 3, right? So which means that if each transformer, single phase transformer, has 100 kVA, and this yes 3-phase transformer will be 300 kVA. Now with two transformers, which is VV connection, rating will be now 300 by root 3. This is what I was saying. Please mention this point here now. One of the transformers in delta delta, if one of the transformers in delta delta get failed, then transformer is still operating with less rating. Transformer is still operating with less rating. You can mention this. 3-phase rating of transformer is 300 kVA. 3-phase rating of transformer is 300 kVA. If it is operated in VV connection, its rating is 300 by root 3. Its rating is 300 by root 3 kVA. Okay. These are the connections. Yeah, there is one more topic, parallel operation. So that we'll do tomorrow, but now we'll see some gate questions here now. So on the transformer, the latest questions. So let me get that one. We'll be solving some gate questions, latest questions. Tomorrow we'll continue with that topic, parallel operation, then we can wind up transformer. So the gate questions. Old gate questions. So first one is, I have 2018 question. Single phase 100 kVA 50 Hz transformer has voltage drop of 5% across its impedance. Of this 5%, 3% is due to resistance. 3% is due to resistance. The percentage regulation of transformer at full load with the 0.8 PF lag is. Simple question है, 2 marks question. Percentage VR चाहिए. Solution. Hint is here now, percentage VR. So hint is I have already given percentage VR is percentage R cos phi lagging है ना, plus percentage X sin phi, that's all. We have done the derivation also. Percentage R is 3, percentage X चाहिए, percentage Z दिया, so something like Z is given, percentage Z 5%, percentage R is 3, so percentage X is square root of Z square minus R square, of course percentage. So we have done this kind of problems, so this becomes 4. So 3 into cos phi is 0.8 because power factor given है ना, cos phi value दिया, so phi equal to 36.86. So percentage X is 4, sin phi is 0.6, sin 36. So what is the total value? That's your answer. कितना है आंसर? How much? Yes, it's a 4.8, but injured percentage. Yeah, correct. Next one. Yeah, good. All are done. All are gate questions only. A single phase transformer, 2 kVA, 100 by 200 is reconnected as an auto transformer such that kVA rating is maximum. Then the new rating is I told you already ऑटो ट्रांसफॉर्मर रेटिंग है ना, फॉर्मूला बता दिया, S2 वाइंडिंग अपॉन 1 माइनस ये, लेकिन ये कौन सा लेना चाहिए, एवरीथिंग इज देयर 2 by 1 माइनस, ये इज ए टर्न्स रेशियो ऑफ ऑटो ट्रांसफॉर्मर, लेकिन इधर 2 वाइंडिंग का दिया, दिस इज व्हाट इट इज गिवन 100 and 200. कैसे करना है यार ये वाला, ये 100 इसके ऊपर रखना, 200 by 300 लेना, या फिर कैसे लेना चाहिए, और 100 इस रखो, इसके ऊपर रखो, 100 by 300 लेना. What should I take it here now? Should I take 100 by 300 और 200 by 300? ये दोनों कॉम्बिनेशन में कौन सा वाला लेना चाहिए? इसके ऊपर ये रख दिया तो 100 ऊपर रखा तो 200 by 300 आएगा, 200 ऊपर रख दिया तो आपको 100 by 300 आएगा. तो कौन सा लेना चाहिए इन दोनों में कनेक्शन, सच दैट आई गेट ए मैक्सिमम. मैंने बता दिया ये वैल्यू शुड बी नियर टू 1, ये वैल्यू आपको नियर टू 1 होना चाहिए. सो यू शुड टेक 200 by 300, डिफरेंस कम होना चाहिए. ये वाला है ना ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर, वी यूज इन ए नॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम में क्या वोल्टेज बूस्टर जैसे यूज करेगा हम लोग, क्योंकि वोल्टेज ज्यादा इंप्रूव नहीं कर रहे हमने, समथिंग लाइक 200 to 300, लेकिन रेटिंग ज्यादा है, मतलब ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोड को सप्लाई करेगा एंटायर स्ट्रीट. आपको स्ट्रीट में मान लो आपको 100 हाउसेस आते हैं, so it can supply one transformer is enough, or even the one transformer is enough for the entire village auto transformer to boost the voltage. So what is this value here now? Just tell me this. Yeah, that's correct. Another one similar question is there. Third question, similar kind of thing. Single phase, 22 kVA, 2200 by 200 is connected as auto transformer with the output voltage of 2420. Maximum kVA rating is of auto transformer. Maximum kVA rating of auto transformer is, again same thing, 2420 आउटपुट है, तो इनपुट कितना होना चाहिए 2200, समझ गए ना, दिस इज व्हाट इट इज गिवन। This is the connection. Yes, now yes auto is S2 winding by 22 by 1 minus A should be less than 1, मैंने बता दिया 2200 by 240. How much is this? Please mute yourself. You don't have any doubt. Yeah, 242. So another gate question, fourth or fifth, don't know. Core loss. Yeah, you get exactly 242. Don't do the sub, division है ना, but just LCM ले लो, आ जाएगा आपको. Don't try to do 2200 by 2420 को simplify मत करो, LCM लेके सीधा करो. Read the problem first. Core loss is given, two scenarios given. 1050 core loss at voltage 230 volt 50 hertz. Another core loss is given 500 watts at 138 30 hertz. So in both the cases, look at here now, is it V by F constant? 230 and 50 is both are constant. 230 by 50 is equal to 138 by 30. Is that okay? If that is the case, I can say here now, I know the iron losses will be, if the ratios are same, I told you already, AF plus BF square. Do you remember that? So basically, this is what I was saying. If V by F is constant, V1 by F1 is equal to V2 by F2. I told you already, PH1 is proportional to F1 and PE1 is proportional to F1 square. This is what. So I can say PH1 is AF1, PE1 is P1 square. Similarly, second scenario, PH2 is same constant, AF2, PE2 is BF2 square. So iron losses, iron losses is a combination of PH1 plus PE1. So AF1 and BF1 square. पहला वाला iron loss है. Second case में iron losses से PE1 मान लो. So PE2, PH2 plus PE2, this is AF2, BF2 square. So just substitute here now. ये का value मिलेगा. So first क्या है? This is 1050, which is equal to A, para frequency 50, B 50 square. Second is how much? 500. This is the one. A 30 and B 30 square. Just solve A and B. What we want is इसका 230 50 का hysteresis loss eddy current. So PH1 चाहिए. What is PH1? What is PA1? That's all. Get A and B solved. These two. That's all. Please solve this one. कितना आ रहा है देख लेना please. This is 30, not 50. Please mind. Second scenario 30 है ना? 30 frequency. I think tomorrow morning we have a class. I think let me check tomorrow morning. Oraltronics. I don't know if you get the timetable.
आपको मिला है क्या टाइम टेबल, टाइमिंग्स कुछ मिला है क्या? कल सुबह से 8 बजे क्लास है। सो आई थिंक 8 to 10 कल से चालू होगा पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, और शाम को दिस इज एनीवे 6 to 8। Okay, fine, Bhaskar. Yeah, cool. Okay, fine then. So what is the answer? So please tell me the answer here now, A and B values. Then you get a PE, PH1 and PE1. ये दोनों सॉल्व करना बस। Excellent. Yeah, Bhaskar and Sabikant Sahu, that's correct. The answers are A value is, so A you obtained as 10.17 and B is 0.21. Substitute करो, तो substitute कर दिया तो आपको PH1 मिलेगा around 509. This is around 542. Yeah, that's correct, Injil. So these are watts. Okay. Yeah, around 540. Yeah, that's correct, Bhaskar. Okay, then I'll stop for the day. If you don't have anything, so I'll stop it here. Tomorrow we'll meet in the morning. So morning at 8 o'clock. Polytron चालू करेंगे. How are you feeling? Are you comfortable the way we are going? I'm trying to cover a lot of things because we have limited number of hours. So ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कितना possible है उतना concept दे रहा हूँ आपको. ठीक है? Somewhere you feel that little bit we need to go slower. Just let me know. Okay. Anyway, I'm going slow only, not that. Okay, is that clear then, guys? Shall we meet tomorrow? Okay then, Angel. Okay, thank you, Sabikant Sahu and others. Angel, yeah, Oscar, yeah, and Anchal Gupta, Sujata, and others. Bye.